Hi everyone, Matthew here at AAWeatherWatch, taking a look at the weather through the rest of the coming week and essentially through Thursday and Friday and indeed through the remainder of Wednesday. It is a mixture of sunshine and scattered showers. Most of the showers will be across parts of the north and west, fewer showers across southern and eastern areas of the country. So certainly not a washout by any means, and there will be some useful dry weather for some areas, again particularly in the south and east. Satellite imagery shows an area of low cloud and low pressure. Essentially you can see the cloud spiralling around that area of low pressure, just situated to the northwest of the country at the moment. That low pressure was responsible for some particularly heavy and thundery downpours across some central and northern areas of the country through Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. But essentially through the remainder of Wednesday and again Thursday into Friday, it is this low pressure which is slow moving and simply maintains a mixture of sunshine and scattered showers. Just taking a quick look at latest rainfall radar and satellite imagery across the country, you can see a few scattered showers just now beginning to develop across some western areas, but otherwise emphasis is on a lot of dry weather across the country. The cloud is quite well broken as well, allowing for some bright or sunny spells, and again most of the showers will be across parts of the north and west, whereas further south and particularly further east you are, then there will be a lot of useful and dry weather through the remainder of Wednesday with some bright or sunny spells. So let's move on and take a look at the forecast weather charts now through the rest of the working week. But a quick look at the rest of Wednesday, again through the afternoon and into the evening. Few scattered showers across the parts of the north and west, perhaps locally heavy, but otherwise a lot of useful dry weather elsewhere. Into the overnight period, and the showers will continue across some coastal areas of the north and west, but otherwise a lot of dry weather this evening and overnight into Thursday. Through into Thursday morning, and again a lot of dry weather, particularly further south and east you are. Some brighter sunny spells, despite variable amounts of cloud too. However, through the course of the day, and it is again a mixture of sunshine and showers that will become dominant, especially across parts of the north and west, as you can see. Some of these showers still locally heavy, perhaps even merging to bring some longer spells of rain, but again otherwise a lot of dry weather, particularly the further south and east you are. Note the close proximity of these black lines, the isobars, which do indicate quite a windy day, quite a breezy day, with a moderate to fresh southwesterly wind. Through into Thursday evening, and those showery conditions will continue across parts of the north and west, but otherwise again a lot of dry weather the further south and east you are. And we move through into Friday, and essentially it is a repeat performance. This is the latest weather chart for around about 9 o'clock on Friday morning, and again you can see low pressure is situated and anchored just to the northwest of the country, very slow moving. So it is parts of the country which are located nearest to this low pressure, so northern and western areas which will maintain the risk of showery conditions through the course of Friday, whereas the further south and east you are, as you can see through into Friday afternoon, there will still be a lot of dry weather and a lot of useful weather for being out and about as well. Quick look ahead at the forthcoming weekend, certainly some uncertainties, but it is likely that a few showers are possible on Saturday, but otherwise a reasonably dry day at the moment in time. However, through into Sunday, and we begin to see the arrival of another weather system off the North Atlantic. Again, some uncertainties over the timings of this, but it may well be a reasonable start to Sunday, but then as the day progresses becoming increasingly cloudy, windy, and then eventually with some wet weather spreading in off the North Atlantic, as you can see by the time we get to the end of Sunday and into the beginning of next week. So let's take a quick look at the temperatures now through the remainder of Wednesday and into Thursday and Friday. And this afternoon temperatures certainly cooler. There will be a noticeably cooler and fresher feel to the weather today. Despite still reasonable temperatures, these are not far from the average for late August. Highs around about 15 to 18 degrees Celsius or so. Through this evening and overnight, and it will be a cooler and fresher night tonight than compared with earlier in the week. Minimum temperatures down to just 10 or 11 degrees Celsius. Through into Thursday, and temperatures overall very similar to Wednesday. It will obviously be cooler further north and west you are, where there is more showers. Temperatures here 14, 15 or 16 at best. However, further south and east, then temperatures perhaps 17, 18 or maybe even locally 19 degrees Celsius. And we move through into the end of the week, and again temperatures very similar on Wednesday afternoon. Highs around about 14 to 16 across parts of the north and west, so feeling cool especially in those scattered showers. But further south and east in the dry weather with some sunny spells, temperatures of 16, 17 or 18, certainly feeling pleasant enough. So let's finalise that in our midweek weather summary. Thursday the 24th and Friday the 25th can both be grouped together. It is a mixture of sunshine and showers to end the working week. However, most of the showers again will be across parts of the north and west. Fewer showers across the south and east with a lot of useful dry weather in the next couple of days. It will certainly be cooler and fresher than earlier in the week, but equally in some sunshine, particularly across southern and eastern areas, it will still be pleasantly warm. So that's all the latest details in the midweek update. As ever, I'll be back with you on Friday, taking a look at all the details for the forthcoming weekend as we move into the final weekend of August.